Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to invoice for Jira issues that are done in Clerk. The Clerk Invoices app uses time filters to define what time we'll get into the invoice. And one of the filtering options is to use saved Jira filters. If we want to filter time of issues in a specific status, like done issues, we need to create a new Jira filter. To create a new filter, we need to go to Filters, View All Issues, choose Status equals Done, and now we can save filter. Give filter name, and we need to share this filter with this user group that the Clerk Invoices app could access it. And now we can save it. Now we can get back to Clerk Invoices app, open the invoice editor again, and now we can add this saved filter as our time filter. And now we may have one tricky case. If we have previous invoice for the done issues and we will import time for this invoice, it will import time from the previous invoice as well, because old issues still have done status, so we will have double invoicing. To avoid this, we will need to add Uninvoiced Time filter. It will exclude any work logs that belong to existing invoices. And now we can import time from Jira and save the invoice. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.